Juggling work, family, and household chores can feel like a relentless marathon. The Roborock Q5 Plus Robot Vacuum with self-empty dock aims to be your tireless teammate in this race, offering a smarter and more convenient approach to keeping your floors clean. This comprehensive review delves into the Q5 Plus's features, performance, and potential drawbacks to help you decide if it's the perfect addition to your cleaning arsenal. Reasons to choose the Roborock Q5 Plus. Self-empty dock. Enjoy weeks of hands-free cleaning with the 2.5L dust bag capacity. PreciSense LiDAR Navigation. Experience precise cleaning with 3D mapping and customizable cleaning zones. Powerful 2700 Pascal suction. Tackle dirt, debris, and pet hair effectively on all floor types. Multi-plane floating brush ensures optimal cleaning contact with floors for deeper cleaning. Long-lasting battery. Clean your entire home in a single run. Imagine a world where your robot vacuum not only cleans your floors, but also empties its dustbin automatically, a dream come true for busy households. The Q5 Plus boasts a revolutionary self-empty dock, eliminating the need for frequent manual emptying. Equipped with a 2.5L dust bag, the dock stores up to 7 weeks of dirt and debris, freeing you from the drudgery of emptying the robot after every cleaning session. This translates to weeks of worry-free cleaning, allowing you to focus on more important things. Effective cleaning requires a strategic plan. The Q5 Plus employs PreciSense LiDAR Navigation, a cutting-edge technology that creates highly accurate maps of your home environment. This advanced system ensures the robot doesn't waste time with unnecessary crisscrossing movements. You can even view these maps in 3D, providing a virtual layout of your home with furniture placement and cleaning zones. This level of detail allows you to customize cleaning routines and ensure a thorough clean, reaching every corner of your home. A clean home starts with a powerful cleaning performance. The Q5 Plus delivers exceptional results with its impressive 2700 Pascals maximum suction power. This translates to effortless removal of dirt, debris, and pet hair, whether it's loose particles on hard floors or deeply embedded fur in carpets. The Q5 Plus tackles these challenges with ease, leaving your floors sparkling clean and free from allergens. Traditional robot vacuums can struggle with uneven surfaces, sometimes missing dirt trapped in crevices. The Q5 Plus addresses this issue with its innovative multi-plane floating main brush. This design ensures the brush maintains optimal contact with the ground, maximizing cleaning efficiency on carpets, hard floors, and even uneven surfaces. Additionally, the brush boasts strong resistance to hair tangles, a welcome feature for pet owners who often battle with tangled fur clogging traditional brushes. A powerful robot vacuum needs the endurance to match. The Q5 Plus features a high-capacity battery that delivers extended cleaning times, allowing it to tackle most homes in a single run. This, combined with its 470 ml dustbin, offers a comprehensive cleaning solution without frequent interruptions for recharging or emptying. You can rest assured that the Q5 Plus will clean your entire home effectively and efficiently. The verdict: a powerful contender for busy homes. The Roborock Q5 Plus emerges as a compelling option in the robot vacuum market, particularly for busy households and pet owners. Its self-empty dock elevates the cleaning experience with its hands-free convenience. The powerful suction, advanced navigation, and multi-plane floating brush combine to deliver exceptional cleaning performance on various floor types. However, if budget is a major concern or you crave an app packed with the latest features, you might consider exploring other options. Investing in a clean future, is the Roborock Q5 Plus right for you? Ultimately, the decision to invest in the Roborock Q5 Plus depends on your individual needs and priorities. If you value convenience, powerful cleaning performance, and a helping hand in the fight against dirt and pet hair, then the Q5 Plus is a strong contender. With its self-empty dock, advanced navigation, and powerful suction, it offers a compelling solution for busy households and pet owners. However, if budget is a major concern, or you don't require the most advanced app features, exploring other options might be worthwhile. Taking the next step. Whether you decide on the Roborock Q5 Plus or another robot vacuum, this review has hopefully equipped you with the knowledge to make an informed choice. Consider factors like your budget, floor types, presence of pets, and desired level of automation when making your final decision. With a robot vacuum by your side, you can reclaim precious time and enjoy cleaner floors with less effort. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.